What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be changing the rear door speakers on my LS400. These speakers right here and right there. We already have two 12-inch subs, Scar Audio. Alright guys, so we just got back from the fucking Medskin Mall. We're gonna unbox the kicker speakers. Come on, let's get into it. Unboxing video, so you get two videos in one. I'm gonna rip this bitch open. Alright guys, as you can see, we got it undone. This is how it looks. Wow, crazy, right? So let's put this baby in. On the floor on my ass, looking like a retard. Got the door open. So we're gonna take this little cover off. And it broke. This is a little light. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna replace it with a blue light. Some screws down here. And we're gonna go ahead and take them off, and we're gonna take this ashtray off. Just get your little screwdriver and just pry it open. Oh shit, I think. And we got it off, as you can see. That is finally now off. This is your ashtray. You can smoke your blunt. Alright guys, as you can see, there's one sneaky screw right here. Alright, we got it out.
Nice.
Nice! Here's the stick it out now.
What the fuck? Why is it stuck in there? I'm not kidding, bro.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
That's how you do it.
As you see, guys, we fucking broke the shit out of it. As you see, we finally got into it. So here is the speaker. We're gonna unscrew these motherfuckers. We're gonna slowly take it out. And now you see the bottom wires. You're just gonna. This is a new one, and if it doesn't fit, we're gonna get another tool and we're gonna make that fucking hole bigger. Alright, moment of fucking truth. And it doesn't fit. Okay, it does fit. It just needs to Alright guys, so as you see, it didn't fit. I think it's because of this little plastic piece right here. So we're gonna just pry the fucker off. I think the fucking battery died. Let's see if the battery died. Oh, it died. Alright guys. Yeah, bro, this fucking video is going to shit.
It'll be funny,
Get back to it. I'm gonna go back to drilling it. Alright guys, so we finally made the hole fucking big enough finally. So we got it right here. So as you can see, this one's positive, this one is negative. Keep it on the chill. Alright guys, we did it. See if it works.
Why you niggas switched up to the other side? Them nigga bitches, they had to have butterfly. Fuck it, we finna send their ass up to God. Fuck about niggas on blood, not mean.
Alright, as you can see, guys, this fucking bad boy works. But it is now. It's that time again. It is Nick time. We're gonna take our 15-minute break on our Nick and chill.
We'll be back with you after 15 minutes.
Jonathan Moore.
Related to Fat Blood, so he is okay to say.
I did meet him at Chick-fil-A after all. Oh, that's what she said.
Drilled through the speaker, man.
And I drilled through the speaker. That's fucking dumb.
Nice. The one thing you said to do.
Not to do.
We fucking did it.
We fucking did it, guys. What a waste of time. Now we gotta go back to the Medskin Mall and get our little warranty.
Dirty little money.
Man, do I suck
it.
ass.
You got it. You got it. Put some balls in.
Oh, motherfucker.
Need some assistance?
No, I don't. Cause
I'm gonna have to pull out the camera.
Alright, I think it's in. Nope, it's not in. I didn't do shit. No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, the fuck you don't, buddy.
I think the real Mexican has to take over the tools here.
Well,
Hand me the power tools.
and the Medskin the power tools, huh? Is that how it works?
Cold world we live in, Draw.
Huh?
Cold world we live in.
Yo.
Pass the Mexican the power
Pass the
tools.
fucking Medskin the fucking power
Let
tools,
him
because
do
of course
the
he
job.
knows how to do it.
Yeah, of course he does. Oh,
And
my
we fucked it up.
goodness, you're retarded.
That didn't do
Guys,
shit.
that
Guys,
right
this guy's a
there
fucking retard.
is what the fuck you do not want to do.
That's what you don't want to do. Fucking.
But,
You know, I drove at a fucking stop sign today.
oh yeah, we can talk about him about that.
There's a reminder that maybe you can't do things yourself and you gotta pay someone else to do it.
Wait. He didn't just ask you to fucking help.
Let me go get the electrical tape.
Draw!
Drum roll just fucks everything up now.
We serious now,
Fucking serious right now, bro. You fucking kidding me?
I think you did. Oh my fucking god.
I broke it.
Oh,
I
my
fucking broke it.
God. They don't work like that no more?
Fuck no, it's pop.
Oh my fucking god. Fucking drill a hole in this, man.
And now it works.
You
Bro,
broke it.
it's fucking popped.
Nah.
No.
Try it on.
Look, it's gonna be so shitty now.
Try it. Literally said one and only thing to not fucking do. You
The last time we seen somebody died, he coughing up blood and look in his eyes. Check my heart like the go ass God. The east side, my side, nigga, fuck the south side. Them niggas been how this how Brand died. Bullets gon' come, ain't worried about no size. 2 mil fag, nigga, then go live. These niggas.
That's actually annoying, dude.
What? It's kinda chill though.
Like, no, it's not. That's not chill at all. So, guys, if you're watching this, let us know how you're liking the video.
Look, bro, like, what the fuck? Go in! Ah.
There we go.
Hey!
On to the next.
Let's fucking go already. Alright, guys, we're gonna get a pop speaker sound test. And I lost my keys. This is the only good one, so let's not fuck it up, guys. Almost there, I can feel it.
Oh my
God.
fucking
That was close.
Jesus pieces. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ah,
Oh yeah. Come on.
it's doing it.
Oh my fucking god.
Let's see what it even
Oh my
do.
God.
Huh?
Oh
No
my
way,
god.
no way.
Oh my god, you
for real?
broke it.
You for real?
You broke it.
You for real? No, I didn't.
You
Bro!
Oh my god.
Bro, we wasted our money.
Oh my god.
You think the warranty will work?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, what the
Oh my
fuck?
god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
Why are you laughing?
Alright, point the camera at it.
Oh my god. He's been pointing at it.
Bro, no way.
Draw. You fucking
Where did it break?
suck.
Where did it break? Bro, I don't see where it broke.
Up.
Right there. Oh my fucking god.
Draw. You the one and only thing. What did he say?
Fucking thing.
What did he say?
broke.
What did he say?
Alright guys, it's the next day. So unfortunately my cameraman is in the hospital right now. Someone poisoned him and the meds came off, but as you can see we got the ones that popped. And we got some brand new ones right here. Brand spanking new, straight from Amazon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give Amazon the broken ones. So we got a full-on refund for free. Thanks to Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. We're gonna be giving you the broken ones are broke because my stupid ass wanted to poke holes through it. So let me go ahead and switch them out real quick. Alright guys, as you can see, here comes the broken one. And look at the brand spanking new one. So what we're gonna do is take out the brand new one, set it to the side, oh shit. And then we're gonna give them the broken one. There you go. Alrighty, here's the broken ones. We're gonna send them back to Amazon. And here's our brand new ones. We're gonna give it a second try. Fuck these screws, because they don't wanna fucking work. We're gonna throw them on the floor. We got it back together. It took us a while, but hey, do what we can do. So I can see we got brand new fucking speakers right there.
I know you remember. Tool on my side, just right by the beat. Hop on the beat and I flow like a river. Reach for these rocks and get caught like a jig. Put a hole in his face like a dimple. Middle fingers up, yeah, to the system. If you don't know me, just call me Mister. Blue diamonds, it look like a blizzard.